Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to chat on Duolingo. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Duolingo application. Once you're there, make sure you have already logged in into your Duolingo account. Then head over to your Duolingo profile. It's the emoji-like profile on the down. And once you're there, just click on Add Friends. If you have already added friends, then just choose then just search by their name, and then you can just start chatting. And if you haven't added anyone from your contacts, then click on choose from contacts, and then you can just add them, and you can also chat with them. And yeah, this is how you can do that. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.